Hi, this is Adam, one of the Quartzy co-founders, and in this video, I'll take you through how to sign up on Quartzy and how to get your lab, department, or core facility groups set up on the site. This is the Quartzy homepage, and right from here you can learn all about Quartzy, either by clicking the tour link at the top or by clicking one of the module links below. But I've already learned all I need to know, and I want to sign up. Just so you know, Quartzy is entirely web-enabled, so there's nothing to download. You can also use it on both PCs and Macintoshes. So here I am at the sign up page where I just need to enter a few fields and click Create Account. When you first activate, you're taken through a simple registration process. On the first page, I'm going to put my position as Lab Manager and my PI as Charles Darwin. I click Next and see that, as luck would have it, the esteemed Professor Darwin has already invited me to his lab group. Awesome! Let's move on. On this page, I can either create a group or ask to join other groups. I see a list of all the groups at my institution. If I want to look for groups at a different institution, I just click Change next to the institution name. You can see here that there are some departments and some core facilities at my institution that have created Quartzy groups. I can also create a new group by clicking, you guessed it, the Create a Group button. The group name is already filled in, but you can change it if you like. You can also change the institution where the group is located or add a description. But the most important thing is to invite people to your group. Just click the Enter Email Address button and you can either paste in an email address list or enter emails individually. When you're done, just click Create. You'll see the new group magically appear on the list of institutions. Amazing! Let's continue now to the next step. So here we are at the Upload Inventory page. One of our goals at Quartzy is to make it as easy as possible to get your pre-existing inventory up on the site. So if you already keep track of your lab inventory using Excel, Microsoft Access, FileMaker, or any other software, just upload the file here and we'll take care of the rest. Now that I've uploaded my old lab inventory, I'll assign it to a group and the Quartzy team will get cracking on it. We'll get it into your account in under a day and you can move on to the next step. Next, we're taken to the facility setup. You can use Quartzy to manage signups on core facilities or even that pesky lab PCR machine that everybody wants to use at the exact same time. On the left, you'll see a list of facilities at your institution. Click Join to ask the facility admin for permission to use it. On the right, you can add a brand new facility and choose which groups of people can access it. I've just added my confocal microscope and now I can throw away that old paper sign-up sheet. Scientists are incredibly skeptical, and that's a great thing. But less great if you're me and trying to get the word out about something like Quartzy. Please take a moment here to share Quartzy with others you think could benefit. I'd really appreciate it. Once you're done entering the email addresses of every scientist you know, click Next and you're done. Hallelujah! Your lab has entered the 21st century. Now click Take Me to Quartzy and you'll gain entry into the Quartzy platform. Now that I'm inside, I can click Groups to see all the groups I'm a member of. You can see here I'm a member of the Darwin Lab group and that Chuck D is the admin. As a group member, I can decide to leave a group if I want, or I can invite other people to the group by clicking the Add link. In this case, I'm going to add adam@quartzy.com, and depending on the group settings, which are determined by the group administrator, he'll either immediately be approved or await approval by the admin. Okay, I'm going to log back in now as Charles Darwin, the group administrator. You can see here that some folks have already asked to join my group. Since I'm the admin, I can either approve or deny membership. I'm just going to inspect a few things here, and I see I want to change some stuff. And since I'm an admin, I can click Edit to edit my group. From the Edit Group page, I can change all the properties of a group. Let's say I want to remove a group member. I just click the X next to their name, and bam, their history. From this page, I can also add more people to the group by entering their emails, or I can give access to entire groups. Only having one admin in a group can be pretty lonely. So if I want, I can promote one of the group members to admin status simply by clicking the up arrow next to their name. From this area, I can also demote admins, including myself, to regular member status just by clicking the down arrow. When I'm done, I just click Save and all the changes will be made. So there you have it. That's how to get signed in and set up on Quartzy in 5 minutes. If you have any questions, make sure to email me at adam@quartzy.com.